Morning everyone. Today's special item is presented by class 8. In today's special item, we are going to show you a skit on the topic of importance of education. So let's start. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Chintu, oh Chintu, are you listening or your ears are damaged? Yes, Papa, tell me. Why don't you go to field today? I am studying. There is no need to study anything. Just go to field. But I will read. I said there is no need to study anything. Just go to field and do plowing. Post. Hey, what are you doing? Are you blind? Oh, you give post like this. Okay, leave it. What is your name? My name is Raju. Raju, you will not get any post until you make an apology. Okay, brother, please forgive me. Okay, brother, here is your post agree. And please doctor me. Please sign it. Sign? What is that? What kind of people coming upon me? Okay, brother, come, let me go now. Hey, brother, please read my post. You read it. Actually, I don't know how to read. So read it by your children. He doesn't study. He goes to the field. Why are you sending him to the field? Send him to the school. No, he won't go to the school. He will go to field and do plowing. Why are you doing so? So you read by yourself. Wait. Oh God, what will I do now? I don't know how to read. I am a disco dancer. Oh, brother, please read my post.
What to do?
To read.
It's biryani.
No, you have to read it.
Oh, have to eat it.
No, you have to read it.
Oh, read it. Brother, I cannot read. You read. I am going. I am a disco dancer.
What will I do now? It seems that someone is new to this village. He must know how to read. Sir, please read my post. To tear? No, you have to read it. Oh, have to read. What are you doing? Sorry, read it. How do I explain this that I don't know how to read? Excuse me, brother. What are you doing there? Looking for signal. Where does it come from? It is coming here. If you don't know how to read, then just say it straight away. Yes, I am telling this directly that I don't know how to read. Just get out. What post? Hey, brother, please read my post. You gave it since morning, but no one is reading it. Okay, brother, let me read it. Brother, this is written in Hindi. I translate it into English. Okay. My dear son-in-law Raju, this post is behalf of your father-in-law and mother-in-law. Oh no! What happened? Your father-in-law and mother-in-law died. What? My father-in-law and mother-in-law died? Yeah! Now all their properties are mine. No. Your father-in-law and mother-in-law did not die. Just listen. What happened? Your father-in-law and mother-in-law died. What? My father-in-law and mother-in-law died. Yeah! Now all their properties are mine. No. Your father-in-law and mother-in-law did not die. Just listen the whole letter. My dear son-in-law Raju, this post is on behalf of your father-in-law and mother-in-law. That your wife. Oh no! What happened? Again? Just get out. My dear son-in-law Raju, this post is on behalf of your father-in-law and mother-in-law. That your wife gave birth to twin children in the hospital yesterday. What? Twin children? Yeah! Thank you, brother, for reading my post. Okay, brother. And brother, that is why it is said that you should study and send your children to the school so that they can also study. Yes, brother, I promise from today onwards I will send my child to the school. Okay, brother, let me go now. You saw what happened to me just now. If you also don't want this happen in your neighborhood, then encourage the children in your neighborhood. क्योंकि जब पढ़ेगा इंडिया तब बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Thank you.